It's like a crazy dream, bro.
Yeah. Oh, what was that? You seen it? What's the symbolism on that?
Yo, that's him.
He's like, you broke me down to pieces or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like you can break me down in
Yo,
pieces on this fragile surface.
yo, he's going in, dude.
Yo.
Dang,
Ooh.
is that good? Baby girl, too bad for me.
Hey.
There you go, took that ass on me. All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go, took that ass on me. All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately.
Yo, we are back. Hey guys. Hey VIP. I got that right. I'm Eli.
Yo, I'm Jericho.
We're okay. What's next? And guess what's next? We're back with some GDRAGON reaction. He just came out with 2 music videos. One's called
Whenever
Drama.
we do a GDRAGON video, we should go GDRAGON. Dracarys.
Start playing the
the Game of Thrones
Game of Thrones Targaryen anthem. If you know, you know. And then the other song is Too Bad with
Anderson .Paak.
featuring Anderson .Paak. Hey, yo, let's go.
That's crazy, dude. Oh, we start from there.
Whoa.
What was that?
Whoa. Close down the accent. But yeah, I don't know anything about this. I guess it's from the album.
Same.
So let us know. Educate us, like always. I know you guys are in the comment section. What's your prediction on this one?
I don't know. Probably like for this drama, maybe like a soft song, like a slow song.
I could
but
see
then with
that.
the Anderson .Paak for sure, like a banger, like a groovy song, like a dance song, probably.
Yeah,
You know?
I can see that. I totally agree. This might be something close to him, like a personal song. I read in some of the comments that
Oh.
yeah. I totally forgot. Never mind.
Okay.
But yeah, he's a legend in the game, so that's all we know.
True.
All right, well, we don't want no drama, so let's go ahead and react to this. Make sure you guys make sure you guys like and sub, hit that bell if you like what we do. And we also have Patreon and all our socials down below. Thank you. Let's go.
Yeah.
When everything's rolling in good, why you acting like you're sober? There is nothing left to see, right? So I paint all over this painful love blur. Seems like you like to start an argument when I lose just for the hell of it. 你就是我爱你，爱的有多深。
There's no captions.
It's auto generated, so it's not perfect.
Oh, it's hella inaccurate.
Yeah, so that's why I turned it off.
Or whatever.
爱的有多深。You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from my mama. Rather hang out to pick a fight.
There's a lot of symbolism going on.
What goes around, there comes the karma. Baby's cold outside, make you warm.
Yo, is that because you know how like he's a puppet? Is that what it is?
Toy.
Like he's a
Like,
toy,
he's made to perform for you. Like,
something like that. Yeah,
maybe.
maybe.
I don't know.
Well, let me backtrack because he was saying something in English here.
Like you're just sober. Or something.
Why you acting like you're sober?
Why are you acting like you're sober?
I got some substance abuse problems.
So I paint all over this painful love blur.
Pain all over this painful.
Sounds like you like to start an argument.
Start an argument.
When I lose just for the hell of it.
For just the hell of it.
You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from my mama.
Got it from
Rather hang out
From her
to
mama.
pick a fight. What goes around, there comes the karma.
What goes around comes to karma.
Baby's cold outside, make you warm. Burn, burn, this love. And biggest brothers be nice.
Biggest.
Bet you like it, bet you like this. Lost in angel falling in love. Blessing the curse that we are born with. I gave it all that I could.
Give it all
How
I could.
dare you be so cold and heartless?
How can you be so cold
Let's
and
take a
heartless?
bow.
Yo, who hurt you,
Out the
G-Dragon?
door. You and Morgan play the role alone.
Maybe he's talking about the public, you know, like the public view of him.
Or what if he's talking to himself, like his own reflection?
Mm.
Yo, deep or what, yo?
That is
Let
deep,
us
yo.
know. This sounds deep. Sounds like he's touching on some actual like personal drama issues.
Exactly. Let us know, VIP, what is the meaning of it.
Yes.
Though
I think I was spot on though. This is like a slower, deeper song.
Dancing with the.
You never like it when it's nice.
You never like it when it's nice.
Drama queen got it from a mama.
Drama queen got it from a mama.
Yeah, maybe he is talking about like a girl.
A girl or himself.
What
goes around, there comes the karma.
What goes around comes to
yeah,
karma.
possibly.
Baby's
Yeah, it could be
cold
himself.
outside, make you warm. Burn, burn, this love. And biggest brothers be nice. Bet you like it, bet you like
It's an interesting video.
I don't know why I can't be peaceful.
It's like very artsy.
Just a minute, hip escape myself. What
Interpretive dancing, right?
the hell am I doing in this?
Yeah, there's a lot of symbolism.
Get out of me because my drama.
Whoa, Drama by G-Dragon. Dangerous Beauty.
Dangerous Beauty?
Ooh.
What is
F1
that?
aspect trailer flat.
What?
Let us know what this
Dangerous
means.
Beauty. Cool.
You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from a mama.
Ooh, get it.
What does that say right there on the floor?
Fragile.
Oh. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, fragile.
Oh, okay, never mind. I thought it said Fang something.
Oh, he's on the fragile surface. That's some symbolism right there.
Yeah, maybe he's talking about like he's fragile, like his mental state from all like the public's pressure and stuff, you know, the pressure of life. He's feeling fragile, very
Because he's-
vulnerable in this song.
Yeah, I could see that. Wow.
Interesting.
What goes around, there comes.
And what goes around is a karma.
Oh yeah, look at the
'cause-
platform
'cause
it's
the
rotating to. Yeah,
Exactly.
true that. True.
Baby's cold outside.
Baby's cold
Make you
outside.
warm.
Make you warm.
Burn, burn. This love and biggest brothers be nice. Bet you like it. Like
That room looks hella cold.
never like it when it's nice.
Looks like a crazy dream, bro.
Yeah. Oh. What was that? You seen what's the symbolism on that?
Yo, that's him.
He's like, you broke me down to pieces or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like you can break me down in
Yo.
pieces. on this fragile surface.
Yo, he's going in, dude.
Yo, hey, correct us
I wonder what
if we're wrong.
happened.
I don't know, but this is we're trying to interpret. Bleh. We're trying to find out what's going on here.
Oh my god, he's acting like a robot. He's
Oh, I like that.
like, you think I'm just some robot, bro?
Oh,
Well, you're breaking
he
down the
gave you the
pieces.
side eye though. Oh,
It's,
he said,
huh?
"What you
Oh,
looking at?"
don't look at me like that,
Yo,
G
G
Drag.
Dragon, don't
Yo,
do that.
please.
Yo, oh shit.
Oh, I
Oh,
made eye contact.
I can't. Oh,
Wow.
I'm scared. Yeah, that was pretty good. Makes me think. Oh,
Yeah, I feel like this music video invokes hell of like symbolism, emotion, and stuff. You know,
yeah.
that I feel like I wouldn't get had I only listened to the song.
Yes,
You
the
know,
music video makes it complete.
yeah, I feel like it really like accentuates the emotion of the song.
You understand it more in a way.
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, the song is also in Korean, but I think about 50% is like English though, so it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Interesting song, but like I said, let us know VIP. What is the meaning? You know what? Let's go to the comments. Let's see.
See what I mean. It's a cool song. I'm not gonna put it on my playlist. It's something like a little too moody for me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need
If you're a
some
big fan,
groove.
if you're a big fan of G-Dragon, definitely put it on your playlist or Big Bang. There's really nothing that's.
His voice.
Oh, there's
Why am I
Chinese
crying?
lyrics. Was that in the beginning? After the English?
I don't know what.
Yeah.
I had no idea. Interesting. That's cool.
That's cool.
Is he
That's cool.
Chinese?
Is G-Dragon
I
Chinese?
wonder why. I don't know. I wonder why he included Chinese lyrics.
Maybe just because I mean
He got it like that.
He's iconic, so
True.
well,
Cool.
that is our
Shall
reaction
we
to
go
drama.
to the next one?
Let's
Nice.
move on to Too Bad, because I don't want to feel too bad not reacting to this.
Yeah, I started feeling too bad watching that. I got all emotional.
Yep, made me think. All right, just have fun with this one. Looks like it's
I feel like it's the exact opposite of like in tone.
right.
You know,
I feel
like
like
it's
it's
a
gonna
party,
be
but it's
funky.
kinda like-
You know, some pop,
Right.
some R&B, some music. Definitely different music, different type of music. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Does this one have English? Oh, it's auto generated as well. Let's go. Hey.
Check it out, you do. What it do?
Oh,
Oh, this is very G-Dragon. That's all his outfits. Right? That's hella cool.
is it?
Yeah, that's how he dresses up, I think.
Oh,
He's iconic like that.
Check it out, you do. What it do? Tick it tock and I move. Booty knocks you do. Me do beach yeah. Beautiful.
this is it?
So much good. Like it. Check 뭐 만큼 good. Get some to day. Get some more to get. Damn, is that good? Baby girl, too bad for me.
Hey.
There you go. Took that ass on me. All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Took that ass on me. All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. 겐가민가 어딘가를 가래. Flirting인가 bluffing인가 You got me bad. MBTI가 sexy type bar.
Hey.
섹시나해. GDB like that and GM이 not
Look at this king right here.
Baby
The
girl,
ladies.
too bad for me. There you go. Too bad
Hey.
ass
Like
on me.
this part.
All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Too bad ass on me.
That's
All I
tight.
want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. You do say to me that you
Karina.
Bro, what?
too bad for
From
me.
Espa?
There you go. Too bad ass on me.
Yo.
All I
Where
want
she
is
come
an arm's
from?
reach. Break
Yo.
You do say.
Hey, what a collab.
I'm still running till I reach. You do say.
Ooh.
The chills running through me
Added to my playlist already.
till I reach. You do say.
When Karina came out, yeah, it is.
Karina came out.
Through me, I feel something
She's not even on the side.
till I reach.
Here comes Anderson right there. Hey,
Ooh, I like his hair.
Michael Jackson.
I like G-Dragon's hair right here.
I know, it's
This
hella
style is
cool.
so thin.
The whole outfit's cool. I like the contrast between
Yeah.
the two. Oh, he's
sure.
also playing the drums. Hey, yo, that's tight.
Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go, took that ass on me. All I want is an arm's reach. Break me off passionately. Baby girl, too bad for me.
Yo, I want to see them live doing perform this.
Is an arm's reach.
Oh, he's for sure gonna go to Coachella perform this.
To me, the chills running.
Oh, I think he's doing HITC.
Oh, HITC, not
Yeah,
Coachella.
yeah, yeah.
Passionately,
That's
you do say. To me,
Oh.
the chills running through me. I feel same. Pull me, I'm still running till I reach. You do say. To me, the chills running through me. I feel same. Pull me, I'm still running till I reach. You do say. The chills running,
Who's still random Karina is out of nowhere.
still running
Hey, she's
till I reach. You do say.
a 10 out of 10 in my book.
Still running.
And this song is a 10 out of 10 with Anderson .Paak. I like that song. I like this song.
Yeah, this is a good song.
That's a good song. Funky. But it's a little too short though. Wanted more.
239, that's it, bro. That's
Yeah,
hellish, bro.
I want.
That's like an Instagram short, bro. Like Instagram reel.
I know, like another verse maybe from G-Dragon. That'd be cool.
Or even let Karina hop in there, you know?
Oh yeah, do some Karina vocals.
That'd be sick, bro.
That'd be sick. But yeah, I like the
I could maybe
funk.
see like maybe they have remixes scheduled, you know?
With Espa. Hey.
Add
Mhm.
maybe to like make this song longer.
I can already see a lot of dance challenges with this, especially that
sure.
one. Hey, iconic move. That's a cool move. And then also like the dancers. There's some pretty high tier dancers up there, like top tier.
Yeah.
Cool song overall. This is definitely added to the playlist for me. G-Dragon is just a great
Yeah.
overall
Same.
musician, man. That was cool.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to Anderson .Paak as well for making it happen with the feature. East and West, you know,
True.
that's all we want, man. Some collaboration.
Oh yeah. You love to see it. But yeah. Great music video and song. I like this one more than the other one.
For sure.
PDH. Yeah. But cool.
All right. Well,
Shall
that
we?
will end our reaction. Let us know if you like these songs by G-Dragon. Comment down below what you think of our reaction, and also educate us. Let us know what's going on, you know, with the music videos. What's the meaning of the first music video, and what do you think about this one as well? My name is Eli. That's Jericho. We are okay. What's next? You know what's next. You let us know. Peace.